Uh, class. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Let me hope that you're spending your holidays wisely and you're spending them in productive ways. So, Mwalimu is back and Mwalimu is going to take you through action of acids on carbonates and hydrogen carbonates. And before I start off, some of you are complaining. Really, you're sending comments that you're not seeing my face, but that shouldn't be a point of concern. But at least you see the information, and I think your duty is to grasp the concepts which I discuss here, and I believe that. They are clearly demonstrated on this whiteboard during my discussions. So today we are going to discuss about action. So we are going to discuss about action of action of acids on carbonates and hydrogen carbonates. So basically we are going to see, or we are going to discuss on the nature of the products which are yielded from the reaction between an acid and a carbonate. For this, it's also a kind of neutralization reaction. By the way, it's a neutralization reaction because some of the carbonates have basic properties. It's a neutralization reaction, but for it we shall not only yield a salt and water. When you react an acid plus a carbonate or a hydrogen carbonate, when you react the two, there is evolution of carbon dioxide gas, effervescence of carbon dioxide gas. And during class, we demonstrated this. When you react an acid and a carbonate, you form carbon dioxide gas, which are evolved as bubbles. Then we also get salt and water. You were in position to see how the gas turned calcium hydroxide, which is lime water, milky. Yes, so that was a kind of testing. So if you want to test the gas which is evolved during this reaction, just get your lime water. After reacting an acid with a carbonate, then get lime water, try to pass the gas through the delivery tube up to the test tube containing lime water. The lime water will change milk. In summary, this is what I mean. So if you're having your test tube, So this is what we are having. We are having this setup. So we are having a test tube having a carbonate. It can be a carbonate or a hydrogen carbonate. Then any acid of your own choice. Any acid of your own choice. So when you react this acid and the carbonate or hydrogen carbonate, you get carbon dioxide gas. Now carbon dioxide gas will pass through this delivery tube, and then when you bubble this carbon dioxide gas, when you bubble it through this solution of lime water, when you bubble carbon dioxide gas through this solution of lime water, this lime water will turn into a white precipitate. In simple terms, it will turn milk, this lime water you see here. And you can carry out this experiment when you're home. When you're at home. So I can give you a simple example. So try out this experiment when you're at home. Get vinegar. You remember the constituents of vinegar. Vinegar is ethanoic acid. If you don't have access to vinegar, go and buy it. Yes, they sell vinegar. So go and get your vinegar. Then vinegar contains ethanoic acid. Then after buying vinegar, you also get baking soda. Baking soda or baking powder. Baking soda is a hydrogen carbonate. Baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Or in some books they call it sodium bicarbonate. Yes. So get your vinegar, baking soda, then a cup. So this is what you need to carry out this experiment at home. This is what you need. At home, you need vinegar. You need the vinegar. Then you need vinegar. You also need what? You need baking soda. You need baking soda. Then you also need a cup. You need a cup. In fact, let them be two cups. Then you also need a straw. You know those drinking straws. So your drinking straw will act as the delivery tube. It will act as a delivery tube. Then the cups will act as test tubes. Then vinegar, it is the one which consists of ethanoic acid. Baking soda has a hydrogen carbonate. Then react the two, make your setup. So if this is a cup, put your baking soda inside. Then you add vinegar. Connect the thing. Connect the cup to a straw. So that straw is to help you to liberate. It's helping you to liberate carbon dioxide gas from this cup. Then take that carbon dioxide gas through lime water. I think most of you at your home you have lime. Yes. If you don't have lime, go to the hardware. Yes, go to the hardware and look out for lime. So mix that lime. And in fact, I also prepared calcium hydroxide solution. I prepared calcium hydroxide solution at school. Yes, during that class. So get lime. Lime, the color of lime is a white powdery substance. It's white powdery substance. So mix it in water, then you filter. Mix that lime which you've bought from the hardware, mix it with water, then you filter. Just take the colorless solution. The colorless solution is now what we call lime water. Yes. Then you conduct this easily at home. Yes. So in the next session, I'm going to be dealing with some of the reactions. Still, we are under this topic, but in the next session, I'm going to use examples of some carbonates. In fact, I'm going to start with this one, such that you see what happens. Thank you very much.